Today I'll be downloading and installing Tekken 8 on my PC, and for this I have opened up Steam right now. Currently, as you guys can see, I'm on Steam. If you don't have it installed on your computer, just Google the word Steam, install it on your computer, and then if you're not logged in, log in. As you guys can see, this is my profile. I'm already logged in. If you don't have a profile, create a profile and then log in. Now we'll go ahead and search for Tekken. So let me go ahead and search. I'm going to install Tekken 8. And by the way, they have a demo version as well, which is currently showing up and available. I've downloaded and installed. It's about 23 GB. You get 3 to 4 characters, and you can play with only limited characters. There are a total of 32 characters in this game, but you only get access to 3 to 4. You do have competitors, but those competitors are also limited. I'm going to go ahead and purchase this one, buy Tekken 8. Not the deluxe edition or ultimate edition. I would just go ahead and purchase the simple one. It is expensive right now. I'm in Pakistan. I'm not sure if you're in a different region what the price would be in your region, but in my region it is $69.99, $70, 70 US dollars. It is currently in my cart. If it's not in your cart, it'll show up like this. So just click add to cart. Let me just go ahead and go to my cart by clicking on this. As you guys can see, Tekken 8, $69.99. And is this purchase for yourself or a gift? I'll select purchase for myself. When I click on purchase for myself, on the next page, I do get a few payment methods. Now you can see those as well here as well: PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, or JCB. You can use any of these options. Let me use MasterCard in this example. So as soon as I click MasterCard, it's asking me to enter my card details. So I need to enter card number, expiration date, security code, which is CVV, my billing information, first, last name, city, billing address, zip, postal code, country, and phone number. I would uncheck this option, save my payment information, so checkout is easy next time, because I think for security reasons, you should not be doing that. Just don't save your card info. I personally prefer not to save my information, because in case, God forbid, my account gets hacked or anything, I don't want to lose my money. I don't want people, unknown people, to use my credit card information. So I never save it, just purchase it and then move on. Let me quickly enter my details and purchase the game, and then I'll be back with you in a moment. Okay, I've just opened up my other screen now. Tekken 8, this is the demo version. I have just opened it up. Let me turn the desktop audio on so you can actually hear the game as well. Okay, so this is how the game looks like. In case this is the first time you're viewing it, this is how the game starts. Let me skip that for you real quick so you can see the actual game. I just want to play one game so you can see how it works and how the gameplay looks like. By the way, in the demo version, you wouldn't be able to play online, in case you're wondering. It's only offline. So just go ahead and walk up to one of the people here.
Challenger. Okay. Get ready for the next battle.
So it's Paul versus Shaheen. I have selected Paul again because I only have access to limited characters. So let's see if I'm able to defeat him or not.
Fight.
On the first round.
Round 2.
Let's see what happens in the next one. Okay, that's a good one. Okay. I think I did pretty well here. I won 2 rounds.
You win. I'm in top condition.
Okay, awesome. I think the graphics are looking really nice. Overall, this looks like a good game. I mean, I personally really liked it. I don't think that there is any issue going with the Tekken 7 right now as well, but that's also in Pakistan. If I check the price, it's also $50. Let me go ahead and show you. So this is Tekken 8, and if I go ahead and search for Tekken 7 in Pakistan, let me go ahead and quickly do that. Let's go to store and let me see how much is Tekken 7. Search for Tekken 7. You guys can see it's also $49.99, so this is also $50. We have other versions, DLC 9, I don't know what that is, but the actual Tekken 7 is $50. The actual Tekken 8 is $70 right now. I wanted to purchase this. I did enter my card information, but it for some reason is not working right now. I need to check with my bank tomorrow morning because I'm recording this video at 6:15 in the morning right now. So I need to check with my bank, and I'll probably create another video of purchasing it, and then I'll show you the gameplay of the full version as well. I'm pretty sure you've already seen it. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, bye.